So in a recent update of Google has introduced a feature inside Google AI Studio called Build an Android app. Now you can create mobile apps from scratch inside Google AI Studio. So let's get started and create our first app. First of all, just head over to aistudio.google.com, then click on this build button. Once you click on build button, you will be inside this page. Now here, you need to click on this button called build an Android app. Once you click on this, it will be automatically selected, as you can see, Android framework. Now you can describe your app idea by speaking it or typing it, and if you have something to attach, like if you want to attach drive, upload files, or if you have some pictures to attach, you can attach it as well. Now we are going to build a habit tracker app. So what I will do is I will just simply write here, create a habit tracker app. You can describe your app idea in normal words, and once it's done, you can just click on this build button, and it will take 2 or 3 minutes to build your app from scratch. So as you can see here, we are now inside the dashboard, and it started to creating our first app. Currently it's reading our prompt, then it will create a complete blueprint for the app, then it will create the app for us. And we also have the code option where we can see the code, and you can also download the code once it's ready. So I will wait for the next step, then I will show you what it is. So now you can see it shows us some design previews are ready, and you can select any of these design for your mobile app. Like you have multiple design options, we can explore one by one. Now let me choose one of the design. So I think first one looks great, so we will just click on this button called select this design, and this design will be selected. Now it will take some moment to create our app. You can see it says running for 140 seconds, so it will currently creating our app. Once it's done, I will show you how it looks like, then I will show you how you can make changes to it. Before I show you final results, let me show you today's sponsor Dictoki. So this is not just another voice keyboard app. Dictoki just launched a brand new floating voice bubble on Android, and honestly it's one of the coolest AI productivity features I have tested recently. The moment you open WhatsApp, Gmail, Notes, basically any app with a keyboard, this little floating bubble appears right next to it. You can tap once to instantly dictate in your language, long press to translate into another language in real time, drag the bubble anywhere on your screen, and it disappears automatically when the keyboard closes. So instead of switching apps or opening some separate AI tools, you can literally dictate anywhere on the Android. It supports 52 language, has whisper powered voice recognitions, and AI rewriting, translations, and even voice correction commands. And the crazy part, you can start for free with no account required. If you want it, try it yourself. Link is available in description box. It's also available on Play Store as well. Now let's get back to the video. So as you can see here, our app is now ready. So if we go back and see, it says I have created a fully featured visually responsive habit tracker application built around material design, 3 guidelines, and native jetpack. So now you can see this was our app ready. So let me just test it first. So we have complete date and time, and we can add our first habit from here. Let's call it gym maybe, and we can add description, and category we will put it into health. And now color we can choose it, and we automatically selected the, let's say this, and we will click on this create button, and you can see our new habit is created called gym. And if you want to complete it, we can just complete it too, and if you want to delete or edit it, you can do it as well. And from here you can add new habits. Then if you want to go back, go to home screen, then we have the rotate. So you can see we have a complete application ready here. And now let me see where our app is. So it's here, we can just open it from here. So it's, if you notice, it's a kind of bit laggy, so I will just say to it, so the app feel little bit laggy, so please fix this and add some more features. Also add light theme to it. So I told it to add light theme, and the app also feels bit laggy, so I just told it to fix all of this. So once it's fixed, I will show you how you can download this into your Android phone too. So now as you can see, our new app is ready as well. Now we have the light and dark theme available. We have the trophies options, day by day streak. We can access all of this from right here, and our app is getting smooth from the before version. And if you want to add new task, you can, the habit, you can add a new habit from here. And so finally our app is ready. Now if you want to install this app on your phone, or if you want to share it with someone, you have option called install. Just click on this install button, and once you click on this install button, you need to go to developer mode in your mobile. If you don't already have enabled, just go to settings, select about phone, tap build number 7 times, then into developer setting. Then after that you need to go to USB debugging and enable that, and now plug in your device via USB. You can follow the instruction as I showed you in the video too. Now all you need to do is plug your device with the USB cable, just like I'm doing here. Then all you need to do is After you connect your device, just click on this install via USB and it will start installing on your phone. And as you can see here, currently it's installing the APK file in my phone, and once it's ready you can view the file and use it too, and you can share it as well. So let's wait for it, and now you can see it says device is installing the APK, uploading APK, downloading artifact. So we will just wait for about a 30 to 40 seconds, then our app will be automatically installed and we can open it in our phone as well. So now you can see our app is ready on the phone. You can see, let me just open it and check. And so you can see here we have the dark and light mode available here. We can add new habit from here. Let's say we want to add a new habit. We will just click on create button and our habit is added. And on the mobile phone our app is feeling much smoother than the computer device. So that's all how you can create your first app and you can install it too. So that's all for today's video. I will meet you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.